Hi, this is Mr. Guy, and this is for economics. This is November 10th, 2015. Make sure to watch the debate tonight and get points. I'll post something online, so it's exciting. Don't forget to do your market day. Order the product, work on the business plan, and do the advertising. Cost for the advertising is $5 before market day, $7 on market day, $10 for one-on-one advertising. Make sure you turn it in as soon as possible so I can get it approved, and then you can pay for the bookstore with the number of times that you want to have it shown. Today we basically did a lot of things. We did the beginning of monetary policy, so I did the 3 tools of monetary policy and loose and tight monetary policy. I'd like you to look at any of the monetary policy videos. There's one on the reserve requirement and GDP formula. I just posted 2 more. One is the discount rate, and then other is monetary policy terms. If you take notes on those and turn those in, that would be great, because I want you guys to watch this and know this. We then, I posted the steps to solve a GDP problem in class. I don't have it online. And then I also helped students with actually using real numbers. So we started with GDP at the 18 trillion and then working backwards to figure out how much does each person have to spend or how much they have for tax cuts to actually work on their solutions. So we're working on solutions right now. I'm assuming that everybody's got 4 goals. They've got their 26 facts and they can figure out the 5 facts for the state of the economy, and now we're working on solutions. Hope everybody has a good day off tomorrow, and we will see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.